Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jaguar XF headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your engine is completely off and cool before beginning any work. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts during the process, keeping you safe and protecting your vehicle's electronics. Next, open the bonnet of your Jaguar XF to access the headlight area. You will find the headlight unit secured by two retaining bolts. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action provides enough space to reach the rear of the unit, where the bulb is located, without needing to fully remove it. Now, with the headlight assembly accessible, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Next, unclip the retaining spring or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release the old bulb. Carefully remove it. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Reconnect the electrical connector securely. Finally, slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats correctly. Reinstall the two retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. Once the headlight is firm, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check all connections. Then, turn on your vehicle's lights to test the new headlight bulb, confirming it illuminates properly and functions as expected for safe driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.